So hello guys, welcome to my channel The Riddler. So on this channel we are starting a new series known as The Way Up High. So in this first episode of this series we are going to talk about what life actually is. So by starting I would like to ask you a very simple question, which is the topic of our video. What according to you life actually is? Some of you all might come up with that life is limitless. Some may think life means full of surprises, hard work, struggle. Some are so intellect among you all that they might say that life is a race. अगर तुम इस रेस में फास्ट नहीं दौड़ोगे तो कोई तुम्हें कुचल कर आगे निकल जाएगा. But somewhere or the other, deep down inside, have we ever asked a simple question to ourselves, that what life actually is and what do we want from it? Just take a moment, pause this video here, and just ask yourself what life is and what do you need, or else what do you want, or what you want from that life. To clarify this, just think you are an athlete on a 100-meter track field. So just imagine that 100-meter track field is what life is. You have to cover that distance of 100 meter to win, or in our case, till death. So during this whole journey from born to death, there are so many little moments which we actually miss out. Running behind success, or in the case of an athlete, to win. It's not always necessary that bad start fucks it up, but it's not the case, not at all. However, the start may be, but the end must be smooth and fiery, I might say. And the journey should be satisfactory for yourself. At the end, you should feel, yes, I have done it for yourself, but not for others. Only and only for yourself. We all grow up watching peoples, and somewhere we idolize them, and we think, ki yaar, I want my life to be like this person, like his or hers. And we create our own imagination of their lifestyle. But is it actually right? At some point, it's good to idolize a person, but imagination is where it changes the game. The way we imagine might not be the truth of his or her life. Let's take an example. From a seashore, we can hardly see a ship, but can we see who's inside that ship? Nope. Same is here. So always get inspired, but make your own 100-meter track field, make your own life. Don't have imagination, or else I can say fake imaginations of someone you are really fond of. Now talking about running behind success in life. So everybody here have ran or just worked their ass off to be a successful man, or to be a successful person, or to earn money in technical terms. That everybody does, not a big deal in it. But how many of them enjoys the process? Out of 100, there will be only 20 to 25 who will enjoy the process. There is this dialogue in Three Idiots that सक्सेस के पीछे नहीं, एक्सीलेंस के पीछे भागो. एक्सीलेंस के पीछे भागोगे तो सक्सेस झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगा. सेम goes here. Just enjoy the process, do it with love, and with a smile, without thinking about anything rest. All will happen automatically. That's the truth of life. Enjoy every bit, don't complicate things a lot, because there might be a chance you may fail and might be disqualified in between. So guys, that's life, that's the way to see and look up to it, by being always positive. So we'll end it here for now. We'll have a separate video on how to be positive and maintain that positivity in your life, and how to keep a smile on your face. Till then, take care, have a smile, and thank you for watching, or rather listening to me. Please hit a like, subscribe, share if you like it, and see you until next time. Bye bye.